Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bumper glue is probably one of the most important adhesives you can have in your garage, especially if you're into DIY car repairs or have a penchant for minor fender benders. This strong adhesive can save you a fortune on professional repairs, and with so many options available, choosing the right one can be tricky. In this video, we will review several top-rated bumper glues, comparing their strengths, weaknesses, and ease of use to help you find the perfect product for your needs. Number 5. JB Weld 50139 Plastic Bonder. It's a quick-setting, two-part urethane adhesive system. It provides strong, lasting repairs for a variety of materials. For over 40 years, it has earned a loyal following among those who demand quality. It continues to deliver the world's strongest bond. It boasts a simple 1-to-1 mixing ratio for ease of use. It sets in just 15 minutes and can be sanded after 30 minutes. With a tensile strength of 3,770 psi, it cures to a hard, permanent bond. You can depend on its strength and durability. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use on various materials, including plastics, composites, and PVC. It also works great as a gap filler. It dries to a black color, making it ideal for filling gaps and creating seamless repairs. It's the solution for all your bonding needs. What we like. It sets in just 15 minutes and boasts a tensile strength of 3,770 psi. If you need a strong, fast-setting adhesive for various materials, this is your best bet. Its versatility makes it perfect for a wide range of repair jobs around your car, both interior and exterior. What people say. The JB Weld Plastic Bonder has been a fantastic solution for my various repair projects. This body panel adhesive and gap filler comes in a convenient syringe, making application precise and easy. The black color blends well with many surfaces, providing a clean and professional finish. It forms a solid bond that holds up well under stress, making it perfect for automotive repairs and other demanding applications. The quick setting time is also a huge plus, allowing me to complete projects efficiently without long waiting periods. Worked great on my polymer suitcase. The suitcase was cracked around one of its wheels. After applying generous amounts of the epoxy along the crack, on both the inside and outside of the suitcase, the crack is gone. While I did not do any finishing work to the patch, the suitcase and epoxy are both black. It appears that it can be sanded down and smoothed out if one desired to do so. I had a plastic trim piece on my car that kept falling off despite being professionally reattached, twice, at a body shop. I decided to give this a try and so far, so good. It has held much longer than any of the professional repairs have lasted, including through the automatic car wash. Number 4. Bondo Bumper Repair Kit 00280. Say goodbye to damaged bumpers. This kit makes repairing automotive plastic panels easier than ever before. It's designed to be both durable and flexible, ensuring a long-lasting and resilient repair for your vehicle's bumper. The two-part epoxy adhesive comes in a syringe for even dispensing, and no premixing is required. It simplifies the repair process significantly. This versatile product works as both an adhesive and a filler, creating a permanent and seamless repair. Once cured, it provides a smooth, fully sandable and paintable surface, allowing for a perfect finish. The kit includes everything you need, a plastic spreader and reinforced mesh for fast and easy repairs. Everything is included for a professional-looking finish. Please note, this product is intended for industrial and occupational use only and is not for consumer sale or use. What we like. This one is designed for automotive plastic panel repair and offers a durable yet flexible bond. It comes with everything you need for a quick and easy repair. If you're looking for a user-friendly solution for fixing damaged plastic parts, this kit is ideal. What people say. It worked great. Not only did it fill in the rips and tears in the bumper, but I had to recreate a body line in the bumper using the epoxy. Stuff dries in 1/2 hour, I'm talking about you can sand it in a half hour. Spreads easy. It was finally nice to improve the image and I was impressed by how easily it applied and bonded the plastic bumper back together. Now I won't have to worry about pieces of my bumper flying off from the cracks or the cracks becoming more worse whenever I hit the highway. It dries in a blackish color, and against the other scrapes that my bumper had taken, it doesn't even look like there were ever any cracks on it. After I prepped the area like the directions said, I applied the product. For me it to several applications. But in the end my bumper no longer had a hole. My bumper looks great. Number 3. MITREAPEL Autobond Super CA Glue. Introducing MITREAPEL Autobond Super CA Glue, the ultimate solution for all your auto part bonding needs. It's perfect for mechanics and car enthusiasts alike, offering a superior bond strength that lasts. This glue and activator combo is ideal for most car applications, from fixing moving parts to repairing aftermarket accessories. It quickly forms a lasting bond between surfaces, keeping everything in its place. Application is a breeze. Simply apply a few drops of glue to one surface, spray the activator on the other, and bond the parts together after a short wait. It's that simple. Unlike other runny superglues, this one has a medium to thick consistency, making application much easier and more precise. It's perfect for various applications, from modifications to repairs. It cures incredibly fast. With the activator, it dries in just 5 to 12 seconds, and without it, in just minutes. No more waiting around for your glue to dry. It forms an incredibly strong, long-lasting bond on various materials, from metal and plastic to glass. It's the perfect solution for auto accessories and vibrating parts. What we like. It cures in seconds with the activator, creating a strong bond ideal for moving and vibrating parts. If you need a super strong bond for parts that experience movement or vibration, this is the perfect choice. It's a must-have for those working on car modifications or repairs. What people say. Before and after pictures from the interior of my 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Just bought the car a few weeks ago and noticed later that this plastic piece had all its 4 interior brackets tabs broken off. After confirming with Jeep service department that this piece, which states airbag, actually had nothing to do with actual airbag location or deployment, I used this product to adhere it to dash. Used the drops on the interior of car, used the spray on the loose piece, while in yard, away from vehicle, then re-entered the car and pressed the pieces together. Held them firm for about 2 minutes and then added 2-inch wide tape, which I had already pre-cut, and ready to go. 12 hours later, gently removed the tape and everything held. I had my doubts the product would work because though the 2 top corners of this plastic piece really poked out, and required some degree of pressure to get them to sit flat. But it worked perfectly. The plastic ring came off my steering wheel and I used the solution and it set and held like a charm. This stuff works. Glued some hard plastic bits back onto my car after some damage happened in a parking lot at work. Has held strong and was super easy to use. Good thing to have in the car upkeep kit. Have had the glued part on for a month now and no movement after cold weather and a long commute daily. Great product. Number 2. Vicpricme Metal Glue. This advanced epoxy glue is incredibly strong and versatile. Its mayonnaise-like consistency makes it easy to apply, and the reusable container ensures you get the most out of every purchase. It boasts superior temperature, oil, and chemical resistance. It's perfect for tough repairs in automotive, marine, and construction applications, creating a long-lasting bond. This glue sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours. With a curing strength of up to 4,680 psi, it can handle even the most demanding repairs. It works on metal, plastic, wood, and more. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any DIY project or professional repair. It's easy to apply with a simple 1-to-1 mix ratio. Just clean the surface, apply, and press the parts together. It's a cost-effective solution for countless repair needs. From fixing cracked bumpers to repairing water tanks, its strength and versatility make it ideal for countless applications. Get yours today. What we like. This heavy-duty epoxy boasts exceptional durability and high temperature resistance. It sets quickly and cures to an incredibly strong bond. If you need a super strong, versatile adhesive for demanding repairs, this is the one for you. Its high strength makes it suitable for a wide variety of applications. What people say. The glue mixes and spreads well. Glue must set for 24 hours but we only had about 12 hours. Even though the glue only cured for 12 hours it held up. Didn't come apart. Been working on a 1999 Chevy Silverado restoration. The door cards or door panels, whichever you prefer, are held in place with 3 screws. The plastic bracket under the door handle had broken off. I used this glue weld, first by gluing a small washer in place. After that dyed, blue painter's tape to form a shape I needed. Filled the form, the next day peeled off the tape and used a Dremel tool for shaping. Drilled a 3/16 hole and mounted the door panel. It worked very well to my surprise. Easy to work with, dispensers work well, epoxy does what they say. Sets a little longer than 5 minutes, which worked well for Maine. Number 1. GOOP 160012 Automotive Adhesive. This amazing adhesive repairs vinyl tears in your car's interior, from seats to convertible tops. It's incredibly versatile and effective for a multitude of automotive repairs. It creates a powerful bond, sealing leaks in hoses and securing screw connections. It's even better than silicone at protecting battery terminals from corrosion. This super sealant protects your vehicle's exterior, too. It effectively seals windshields and headlights, keeping them in top condition. Use it to insulate electrical wiring and keep it secure. It also provides a strong hold for emblems and side molding strips. GOOP 160012 is the ultimate solution for a wide range of automotive repairs, inside and out. It's durable, reliable, and easy to use. What we like. It's a super sealant for various automotive applications, from repairing vinyl tears to sealing leaks. If you need a single adhesive for a multitude of tasks, this is a great all-around choice. Its versatility makes it perfect for various repairs, both inside and outside the car. What people say. Product works as designed. I have used this stuff to successfully glue plastic auto parts where even the best epoxies have failed. If you want to glue broken plastic in your car, this is the best you can get. Used this to reattach a side molding on a van. Followed the directions and it worked great so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.